I learned eventually na parang hindi ko na maasahan yung magulang ko to be the parents that I deserve. As a child, it's now up to me to parent myself. And that is the hardest thing that I've had to do for myself, na parang
Maging magulang sa sarili
maging
mo.
magulang sa sarili ko na if I needed anybody, you know, hindi ko maasahan yung magulang ko for money, for emotional support, for validation. No, I have to give that all to myself.
Kasi wala na eh. Wala nang sinong nang nagtuturo ng right and wrong. Di ba? Sinong nagga-guide? Sino ang wisdom? Sino na ang magbibigay ng tamang...
I think I think as adults, we are the most accountable to our future selves. So parang, yun na lang yung iniisip ko palagi. Everything that I do, always go back and it will help future Salome to be better.